Found a metadata never index file on your Mac. And curious what it does? This is a special macOS file that controls Spotlight search indexing behavior. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how these Spotlight never index files work. I highly recommend this quick preparation step. Keep a universal file viewing program installed. It's a lifesaver for bypassing minor metadata, never index, corruption, and I'll detail the best one shortly. Metadata, never, index. Files are special marker files used by Apple's Spotlight search system on macOS to exclude folders from indexing. When Spotlight encounters this file in a directory, it skips the entire folder and its contents, preventing search results from including files in that location for privacy or performance reasons. Metadata, never, index. Files are typically empty marker files where the file name itself signals the indexing exclusion to Spotlight. The file's presence in a directory, rather than its content, controls Spotlight behavior, following macOS's documented metadata system conventions for search index management. The metadata never index format operates under the official standard set by macOS from Apple Inc. To access all data streams, audio or video subtitles, a dedicated media container handler is required. Windows gives only partial access because altering these files may cause software conflicts. Begin the search for the right application. Right-click the metadata never index file and select Open With. Try macOS first. If it's absent, select another program. We must find the app that recognizes the format. If your metadata never index file still refuses to open, stay calm. Since the initial fixes failed, we need to treat this as a deep technical challenge. Execute these key tests on common failure points to find where the problem begins. First, understanding file purpose. Metadata never index files serve as signals to macOS Spotlight, rather than containing user data. They are typically empty 0-byte files, where the file name triggers Spotlight to skip the containing folder. No application opens these files because they function as markers rather than data containers. Next, creating exclusion markers. Create metadata never index files using terminal by running touch path to folder metadata never index from the command line. This creates the marker file excluding the specified folder from Spotlight indexing. The leading dot makes the file hidden in Finder while remaining functional for Spotlight. Finally, managing Spotlight indexing. Configure Spotlight indexing through System Preferences or System Settings under Spotlight. The Privacy tab provides a graphical interface for excluding folders from search indexing as an alternative to manually creating metadata never index marker files in specific directories on your Mac. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. Confirm your success in the comments. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.